The time is exact 5:30 and our flight to Vietnam will be exactly at 10:40 p.m. So may mga ilang oras pa tayong mag-wait dito sa airport. So hanap muna tayo ng lounge. Ayan si Jeff, Danica, and Oni. They are paying their travel tax. So hanapin na natin yung check-in counter natin. Yun na nga guys, nakakaramdam tayo na our flight today is a full flight. Kasi ang haba ng pila dito sa counter. Hi!
Order number 24 series of 2024.
Yun na nga, bag draft na tayo. So, we're going to the immigration. Welcome, Vietnam na tayo, guys. So, pasado na sa immigration. Ready na. Let's go.
Cebu Pacific Flight 5J753 bound for Ho Chi Minh.
So, guys, we are going to PAGSS for the airline lounge. So, I will update you later what is happening there. Here we go, guys. Usually, ang mga airline lounges nila located dito sa 4th floor, 4th level ng NAIA Terminal 3. Pasok na tayo, guys. So, ito yung itsura ng Bags Lounge. Medyo tahimik, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-ingay. So, let's find our seat. So, they have chicken siomai, century egg here, and they also have siopaw, chicken asado, and bolabol. They also have bread. So let's try food here. So they have halal foods here. So inside here, they have different foods. There also have access to their sodas, coffee, and other beverages. Una natin kakainin, guys, dito sa Pags. Cheesy carbonara, mushroom bun, congee, and what's that? Mushroom. I also tried their siomai. Let's taste it. So yun na nga, guys. Busog na kami ni Jeff. Natikman na yata namin lahat. So mamaya ulit, papahinga muna din. Laban ulit para pagdating natin mamaya sa Vietnam, busog pa din tayo. Coffee is ready. Let's go. Tara na magkape. So, coffee time na tayo. Actually, marami tayong bread doon sa may pantry area. Pero dahil busog na tayo, hindi na tayo mag-bread. So, we're just going to drink our coffee, and after this, siguro mag-charge tayo ng mga devices. And after charging our devices, sleep tayo ng konti. Kasi a few more hours, like 3 hours, flight na natin. Okay, we're going out na. So, dito tayo sa pre-departure area. So, okay guys, pabalik na tayo sa pre-boarding area kasi in few more minutes mag-board na tayo. Okay, update tayo later. So we're going to our designated pre-boarding area. So medyo malayo pa. We are here at 113. So ano natin? 104. We're finally boarding. Here we go, guys. We're boarding. Thank you. We're boarding.
We're waiting for the last reward.
So we're out of Easter. We're now boarding the aircraft. Hello, good evening. Oh no, sige na ito. So, our flight number is 5J746 bound for Hanoi, Vietnam. So, our flight time will be around 4 hours. And we will be departing at 10:40 in the evening tonight. And we will be arriving in Hanoi at around 1:30 a.m. That's already Vietnam time.
Sir Rivera speaking, and together with me is Captain Pierre Mariano. Welcome aboard Flight 5J746 bound for Hanoi. Our flight time is approximately 3 hours. Cruising altitude will be at 34,000 feet.
So we have just landed. Exactly 1 a.m. This morning here in Vietnam. And the current temperature, according to our pilot, is around 16 degrees Celsius. So that's a bit cold. So this is the guys, ito yung sasakyan ninyo if you want to take a bus ride going to Hanoi City Center. Take the bus number 86. Ayun na nga, dahil maaga kaming dumating, it's before 7 a.m. Nandito kami sa labas ng Terminal 2 ng Hanoi International Airport. So, wala pang available na bus kasi the starting time of pick-up ng mga buses is around 7:45 a.m. So, we're going to take Grab na lang going to the city center. So, our pick-up point is Pilar 12. Toyota Vios 79. So, nasa taxi na tayo going to city center in Hanoi. So, the time now is 6:06. We're going to the city center, Hanoi. I think it will be around How many minutes, Jeff? 48 minutes. And we booked this Grab. How much? Oh, to $57,000.